So that's the plane that I'm on. It's clearing up from the last video. So we're gonna take off pretty soon. Where are your glasses?
In my pocket somewhere. I'm scared that they're gonna fall off.
So yeah, we're about to take off. We're just gonna go to the runway. So yeah, just wait. So yeah, that sprays everything off the wing, so it's pretty cool. So yep, those are their kind of trucks. Yeah, pretty cool. It's gonna spray. Watch. Focus. Come on, phone. Focus. Spraying the plane. Oh, we lost it. So, yeah. Pretty cool. That's the kind of plane I'm on. So, yeah. That's the ground.
That's the plane.
Yeah, I know. I was just showing them what kind of plane I'm on. Wow. Video. I'm gonna show Nia everything. So that's the sky. Not that great. It's clearing up from when we were just out there. So yeah.
Microarm person crossing, please.
So that is backing up, as you can see. Backing up there. So yeah. Alright, just wait. Hey Nia. Wanna see something cool? Bye bye. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, you're back. So that's the plane. And just wait. We're gonna take off pretty soon. Alright, well, I'm just gonna take off. So bye.